Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May 2025, our system has identified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.73. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 14.89% since we first designated Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 13 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.15% since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper end of a very wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this scenario may present a good selling opportunity. However, a breakout above the upper trend line at $117.78 would signal a strong buying opportunity, indicating a potential shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 0.788% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 30.17% to positive 4.58%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 39.97%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 63.41% to negative 38.40% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $41.53 and $69.92. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline: Advanced Micro Devices stock price ended at $113.51 on Tuesday, after losing 1.07%. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price fell by 1.07% on the last day, Tuesday, the 20th of May 2025, from $114.74 to $113.51. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.15%, from a day low at $112.10 to a day high of $114.51. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 15.18% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 8 million shares, with a total of 28 million shares bought and sold for approximately $3.18 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $187.28, and the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 39.39%, or $73.77, below the 52-week high, and 50.06%, or $113.79, below the all-time high on March 8, 2024, when the price reached $227.30. AMD is making significant strides in the semiconductor space, reflecting a positive trajectory for its stock. With recent announcements, including a notable $6 billion share buyback, the company is signaling strong confidence in its future performance. This buyback not only enhances shareholder value, but also reinforces AMD's commitment to long-term growth, especially as it positions itself well amid the surging demand for artificial intelligence chips. Elon Musk's statements confirming ongoing graphics processing unit procurement from AMD alongside its competitor NVIDIA further underscore the strong market positioning of AMD in the artificial intelligence sector. As companies like Musk's xAI continuously invest in AMD's technology, short-term price stability and potential upside for the stock are likely assured. Additionally, Citi's identification of AMD as a key competitor to NVIDIA highlights a growing recognition of its capabilities and strategic developments, driving investor enthusiasm. With robust data center growth and anticipated further demand in the artificial intelligence market, analysts forecast a compelling risk versus reward profile for AMD, suggesting a potential re-rating of over 32% in the long term. These developments, coupled with the recent sale of its ZT Systems server manufacturing business for $3 billion, position AMD favorably against its peers, offering both short-term resilience and long-term growth prospects in a rapidly evolving semiconductor landscape. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned Advanced Micro Devices an overweight rating along with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup issued a neutral rating for Advanced Micro Devices, also with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Advanced Micro Devices an outperform rating coupled with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, UBS rated Advanced Micro Devices as a buy with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities gave Advanced Micro Devices a buy rating alongside a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, indicating a positive forecast. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $114.10. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at about $98.08. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Some negative signals have been issued that could influence the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, May 14, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 3.58%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 33 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 13 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 133 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $100.36 and $96.84. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this case, Advanced Micro Devices identifies support just below today's level at $100.36. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $96.84 and $85.76. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $2.41 between its high and low, or 2.15%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.70%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for advanced micro devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could mean that the stock is overvalued or that investors expect high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 650 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at 113.85. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already in possession of the stock, this could be an opportune level for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices meets its first support level at 100. If this support level holds, it may represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Papermaster Mark D, who bought and sold 52,500 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 8.664. Overall, insiders purchased 737,875 shares and sold 889,950 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $108.19, which reflects a decline of 4.68%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is advanced micro devices stock a wise investment choice? Several short-term indicators suggest a positive outlook, leading us to believe that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable possibility for advanced micro devices stock to perform favorably in the near future. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 21st of May, we anticipate that advanced micro devices will open lower by approximately 137 cents, starting at a price of $113.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.